Hello everyone, my name is Joy and you are welcome to Learning with Joy. Our idiom for today is to put or to throw a spanner in the works. To put or to throw a spanner in the works, mainly used in British English, while in American English it is known as to throw a monkey wrench into the works. It means to cause problems that delay or stop a plan, process or system from working smoothly. For instance, Lily and her friends were planning a surprise birthday party for their friend Mia. They had everything ready: balloons, cake, music, and even a big happy birthday banner. Just 1 hour before the party, Lily's little brother Max found out about it. He got upset because no one told him earlier. Wanting attention, he ran to Mia and said, "Hey, everyone is hiding at your house for a surprise party." Mia was shocked. A surprise party? Oh, okay. When Lily found out what Max did, she sighed and said, "Max, you really threw a spanner in the works." Because of Max, the surprise was ruined. The party still happened, but it wasn't the same. Everyone was a little disappointed. Sentence examples: we were ready to launch the project, but the budget cuts put a spanner in the works. The new tax laws could throw a spanner in the works for small businesses. Our team was winning, but the referee put a spanner in the works with a bad call. The traffic jam really put a spanner in the works. We missed our flight.